talent, power comes next to success. Solar Turk will be inverted and expose light speed force for more than 10 seconds. And he will climb at upside down position. Now his eyes are at you. Please everybody put your hands up in the air and wave to him. Once again, Turkey. Thank you very much.
na godzinę.
230 metrów
1200 km na godzinę.
Z prędkością 1200 km. Nogasine. And calling out the spotters, catch me if you can. Astonishing, you will watch the trail. And what can I say more? After demonstrating high speed, you will see Solar Turk fly at the minimum speed possible for an F-16 aircraft. For ambitious photographers, it's time for you to get your camera ready. Zobaczycie, jak Solar Turk leci z minimalną prędkością dla f-16. You may see the pilot waving at you. Come on everybody, please wave to him once again. Following the slow flight demo, we will watch Solar Turk turn a 360-degree circle, which is very remarkable for such an effective supersonic jet aircraft. Proceeding a powerful climb, its nose will be at 90 degrees up. Nie próbujcie tego z łysiem samochodem.
Jakby miał kamerę, to by nagrał. No ja i tak nagrywam. High-level concentration is coming for a very difficult maneuver. Solar Turk will simulate a classical jet approach pattern with a landing gear down. Since F-16 changes to a different flight controller